Despite the fear and anxiety many people are feeling during the COVID-19 pandemic, the community is coming together to try and ensure everyone is well fed.
We're all working long hours, and we're trying to keep things going to help as many people as we can.
A makeshift food distribution hub is set up at Dude Chilling Park in East Vancouver. The Greater Vancouver Food Bank usually hands out food from Mount Pleasant Community Centre, which is now closed.
Unfortunately, we consider ourselves an essential service, so we're kind of out in the front lines, and hopefully we'll keep doing this as long as we can. And we're very fortunate with our donors. We're not government sponsored at all, so all the donations we get are from the public, and there's been a fairly substantial response from the public, which is great. But on the other hand, the demand is certainly going up.
The 13 distribution hubs the food bank usually operates out of are all closing. Long says they're looking for a covered location in Vancouver to distribute from on rainy days.
We'll keep doing it as long as we possibly can. The public are, as I say, are very generous with donations, and that's what we rely on. If we have to, we'll maybe just distribute from our Winston Street warehouse, so I need to keep my staff and my volunteers safe, obviously, as well.
The Salvation Army on East Cordova is another organization providing services and food to those in need, but demand is quickly growing.
Depending on our locations, a number of our places that offer community and family services are seeing a significant increase in individuals and families coming to them in need in many ways because of the amount of people that have been put out of work because of the virus. So we're in need in a number of our locations for food donations and other forms of practical assistance.
Caldwell says their biggest change to ensure health and safety for staff and visitors is offering a to-go meal instead of the regular sit-down meal.
There are people in our downtown community here that they were on bad times, difficult times to begin with, and this has just increased their level of need, obviously a heightened level of stress, and we're doing our best to manage.
Vancouver Firefighters are also going above and beyond their regular job descriptions by delivering groceries and essentials to people who are unable to shop on their own.
We recognize that there's a shortfall this past week with the chaos in the grocery stores and the fear of people wanting to leave their homes.
The Vancouver Firefighter Charities has partnered with a group of Vancouver restaurants to fill the care packages with food.
It's unprecedented times now where these restaurants have been forced to close their doors, lay off their staff members, yet they've still been able to give groceries to their staff members and furthermore give product to us so that we can support our community.
All of the helpers are taking precautions such as sanitizing often and social distancing. In Richmond, Miranda Fatour, City News.
Okay.